Welcome to Senior Health Tips, your trusted source for healthy aging naturally. Are you over 60 and feeling weaker than you used to? Does it seem like your muscles are shrinking, even though you're eating well? That could be sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass due to aging. But here's the good news. Certain fruits are packed with the exact nutrients. Your muscles need to grow stronger, even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Today, we're revealing the top 5 fruits that help rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia naturally. Let's get into it. 1. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses. First on the list, berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These small fruits are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect aging muscles from damage. They help reduce oxidative stress, improve recovery after activity, and keep your muscles healthier over time. Add them to oatmeal, smoothies, or eat them fresh as a snack. 2. Bananas, muscle-friendly energy. Next up, bananas, rich in potassium, magnesium, and natural sugars. Bananas give your muscles the fuel and electrolytes they need to function properly. Low potassium can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue, especially in older adults. One banana a day, especially before or after light exercise, can help support muscle strength and reduce cramping. 3. Kiwi, vitamin C for collagen and muscle repair. Surprised to see kiwi here? Don't be. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse, which helps produce collagen, a protein that supports muscle tissue and joint health. It also contains vitamin E and folate, which promote muscle recovery and blood flow. Bonus, kiwi helps with digestion, which supports nutrient absorption, a key to building muscle after 60. 4. Mango, muscle recovery and hormonal balance. Mangoes are delicious, but they're also functional for seniors. They're rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and even small amounts of B vitamins, which support energy metabolism and muscle repair. They also contain compounds that support hormonal balance, which is crucial for maintaining muscle as testosterone and estrogen decline with age. Enjoy fresh mango or add it to a morning smoothie. 5. Tart cherries, natural muscle recovery booster. Last but not least, tart cherries. Tart cherry juice has been studied for its ability to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, even in athletes. For seniors, it's especially helpful after any physical activity or physical therapy. It can speed up recovery and reduce joint pain too. Go for unsweetened tart cherry juice or enjoy them dried in moderation. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength, regain energy, and age powerfully. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more natural health tips for seniors. Share this with a loved one who needs to hear it. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.